All right, today we're going to replace this flex connector. Me and my partner here. Hola. And hopefully it'll go well. We'll be replacing the flex connector with a like for like. Ain't got no pipe supports, so we're going to have to hang something up there to be able to hold this weight up and go from there. Check it out. Yeah. Well, we're going to say $10 out of $10,000. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. How much was that flex connector? $159. $159? Oh yeah. But if I would have done this Ranger, it would have been like $400. You got that? Yeah. Real simple. Couple cubits, got it. Yeah, myself,
So the replacement of the flex connector on the hot water pump was successful, and as of right now, we're not showing any type of leaks. And the pump is back on, the bypass is closed, and we're pulling water.